This is Triple D, and this is his project. This is the before. And what's going to be the after. Let me see if I can. Only 88,000 miles, but needs some love and tender care. All right, Triple. That's a big job you got.
Yeah, man.
You gonna be able to do it?
Yeah, man. We are almost.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the operating room. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect line.
Yeah, man. Right on the scene.
Perfect line. He won't be in the video.
Nice. Look at that one. That thing wet, shiny white. Wow.
Very nice. Very nice. Can't wait to see the gold bumpers. Really throw it off. We're doing the pinstriping now. Triple D.
Be nice.
That's just a smudge. Don't worry about that. So you're putting the pinstriping on there. We're almost there. We're almost there. Tomorrow we'll be done. So this is the conclusion of the van transformation by Triple D.
Triple D.
In the house.
Every time. Every time. Every time.
Look at this.
Brand new.
What a transformation, huh?
From old to new. Look at the back from across. Look at that, it's gonna look pretty. The back look different. Hey, you need to let the sun shine on the car.
Remember that old crusty van that I showed you at the beginning? Here she is. Nice job, Triple. All right, so back to the van project, transformation, conversion slash mobile apartment. What I did was I went with black carpet. I was thinking about Line-X, I was thinking about wood, I was thinking about all these things, but I went with the black carpet. Came out pretty nice. Next video will be, well, the next part of this video will be after it's washed and cleaned. I'll do a overall showcasing. All right, guys and girls.